For replacing this outlet is we're going to turn off power so we're working safely. Power's off. For this style outlet cover, this is an integrated switch and electrical box. So for this particular instance, I can see that these two wires on bottom are both the line, and this one on top is the load of the switch. So that's going to matter how I wire up the new switch. Old work box here. We're going to clamp onto that sheetrock. And then you just finesse the box in here. You want to make sure these are loose to begin with. And the way this thing works, when you tighten it, it'll go up and hit this stop. And as you tighten it, it closes this gap on the sheetrock. And you tighten these until they snug up. Line, load, neutral, traveler. If this was a three-way switch, which it is not, that's what we're doing. One of the most important steps, these cheap wire nuts that come with it, you're going to take those, throw them away. No sense for now. You need to twist the string of wire to get them to all go into that connector well. That's fine. That red is just barely in there, so sure, when we do the connector, I'm going to turn that up a little bit. The Wago lever nut takes the guesswork out of it, where if I was using these wire nuts, maybe I would have a good connection, maybe not. Maybe the insulation would be in the conducting area. I don't really know. All right, so everything's in. Now I will fit the wires into the box. So we'll do that. We're going to use a deep box instead, just to have that extra working room. You don't want to use the screws to pull that in and damage the device or put strain on your wiring. We'll do that portion again. This is a deeper box. Okay, so our box is in. only electrical connections we have to do, so we'll go ahead and turn the light back on. All right, so the switch is back in, the light works. For the cover, and this just snaps over for a night. So this is the switch, very thin, just mounts flat on the wall. It does come with 2 tabs for your batteries, so we'll remove those once it's installed. This companion switch comes with either adhesive or screws if there's an existing box there. For this, we're going to just be using the adhesive. This box is labeled with top and wall side. Pull out these 2. There's these 2 tabs so the batteries don't die in this door. We're on. To place this in pairing mode, we're going to place the top 5, press the top 5 times. The red light turns on down here. So then now that the devices are paired and I can control from either location, I'm going to install the final cover, and that is it. Erase our extra marks. Now you can see this is the light that just attaches to the wall. And here's our light that we just replaced. And that's it.